bullet train, so we'll take you with us. This is the bullet train station. I just got in at in Saitama area, and this is how it looks like. Clean, very nice, and I'll give you the tour. This is how the waiting room looks like. Store, I don't have time to sit in. Convenience store, and we'll take you up to the escalator to our. Basically, you can rent these booths. You can actually station work on here, pay some money, and stay in there for a while. Okay, we'll be taking this 6:56 a.m. train, and I think we'll take the 809 to Shin, Osaka. This is the weekly tickets, which is very reasonable, and they can go to the certain places as many times as they want to. All right, we still have time here. We'll talk to you later. We're at Tokyo Station to our left is Shinagawa. All right, bye.